Hi parents, it's the first grade team here. We have been getting some questions about setting up Google Classroom and SeeSaw, so we wanted to make a quick video just to show you how to do that. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to webdesk.pisd.edu in your web browser. When you get there, you're going to sign in, click the network login button, and sign in using your student's Plano ISD login information. If you still don't have this, or you've forgotten it, or you need it again, contact your child's teacher and we'll get it to you as soon as possible. So you're going to sign in, and this will bring you to their web desk. On their web desk, you will see all of the apps that they have downloaded. Theirs will probably look a little different from mine. And the app that you want to click on is the one that says Google Classroom. It's the chalkboard right here. All first graders were using Google Classroom before, so they should already have it. So just click the Google Classroom icon. When you click on that, it's going to take you to all the Google Classrooms that they are a part of. The one that they are going to become a part of for our e-learning, our Huff e-learning experience, is the Huffman First Grade Google Classroom. They will not have this until you add it. So you need to click the plus button right here, and it says create or join a class. So click the plus button, click join a class, and you want to enter the class code. Our class code is QIN2NGA. QIN2NGA. When you enter that class code, click the join button, and it will add this Huffman first grade class to your Google Classroom. So click the join button, and then you will have the class. Once you have the class, it'll look like this. It will say Huffman first grade, and you want to click on it. And when you click on it, you will see a screen that looks like this. Each day, one of the first grade teachers will post a link to the assignments for that day. So here is Monday's link already added, and so what you will do is you will click on that, and it will take you to a document with all of the assignments for Monday. And you will work through these assignments by starting with number 1 and going down through to number 9. So these are all the assignments that your child is going to be responsible for, and we tried to make it as easy and simple as possible, but please reach out to us. We are here for you. Now, one of the applications that we're going to be using a lot for these assignments is the program SeeSaw. So if you need to know how to add that, please continue watching and look at the next part of this video. So I'm going to open up another tab, and you want to go to app.seesaw.me. app.seesaw.me, and you'll get this screen. You want to click I'm a student. Before you enter any login information, you want to go down here where it says text code, and you're going to enter our class code, which is BGRSQDTF. BGRSQDTF, and click Go. From there, it will let you create your SeeSaw account or just continue with Google and sign in using your student's Google account. Once your student logs into SeeSaw, then they will be able to see all of their SeeSaw assignments, and all of the links on this page will work once they are signed in to SeeSaw. So I hope that this video is helpful, parents. Please reach out. Again, the first grade team is here with you for whatever you need. Thank you.